heard thunder this morning across much of the Golden Triangle. You weren't imagining things. We did have some rain come through this morning, but the rain is clear out of the area now, and we can expect some sunny skies for the rest of the afternoon. This is Campus Connect Doppler radar and a clean scan for most of the area. This stuff up here, the blues, are ground clutter, so that's not real rain falling, but we did have some very impressive rainfall totals off towards the south. These purple areas down in Attala County, Holmes County, up towards the Pickens and Camden area down here in Madison County saw anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, and these amber colors right here represent rainfall totals above 4 inches of rainfall. But here in the Starkville area, we were just on the northern fringe of that rainfall, and there was quite a grading in the county as well. Down towards the south, towards the Oktok area, these areas saw about an inch of rainfall. Here in Starkville, about 1/4 to 1/2 an inch, and up to the north around Phoeba and the Mabin area, they saw little of no rainfall. So the rain did get us, but the further rainfall totals were towards the south. And outside right now, the skies have cleared out nicely, and temperatures are in the 80s. But if we take a look to the north into Jonesboro, Arkansas, we can see that these skies are very clear, very beautiful skies, and these temperatures are on the way down here. Their temperatures are in the 70s right now, so that air is coming down this way. But we're still at 81 degrees right now, a little bit humid outside, that humidity up there at about 62%, and your winds out of the west at 12 miles per hour. Well, temperatures are pretty much uniform across the area. Upper 70s to right around 80. The warm spot down in Jackson at 83 degrees. But the real story is the dew points. That's the measure of moisture in the atmosphere. And look at these numbers. 50 degrees in Tunica, very dry air. Compare that with very muggy 69 and 68 readings here in Jackson and Meridian. That's where that boundary is that kicked off these showers and thunderstorms this morning, and that will be hanging around for a couple more days. But that complex this morning quickly raced off towards the east and weakened. We have a few more clouds around, but those are quickly exiting the area. Back off towards the west, you can see clear conditions moving in, and those will be in place for the next couple of days. But that boundary will be around for a couple more days. It's going to become kind of weak and diffuse, so we're not really going to see a whole lot of thunderstorm activity from that later on. But a cold front's going to come through towards the end of the week and push all that out of here, and back behind it, cooler temperatures, lows down to the 40s and highs struggling to get into the 70s. So very October-like weather is on the way for us. And taking a quick look at the tropics, this system right here has a very high chance of developing, nothing named yet. And all the way out here is Philippe. These two storms are expected to stay out to sea and not affect our weather. But for the next couple of days around here closer to home, though, that front will be in the area, not much activity with it. And finally by Thursday, that front comes through and pushes out of here, so we're not going to have to worry about that. Just have to enjoy the nice conditions that we are in for the weekend. So for tonight, some clouds around similar to last night. Low temperatures will be in the lower 60s. Then for tomorrow, highs will be up in the 80s under sunny skies, and some clouds will be around, but nothing in the form of rainfall. And for the next couple of days, we just have to look forward to the weekend. Look at that. Saturday, 75 degrees. Sunday, 75. Lows will be down into the upper 40s to lower 50s. So this is weather we should be experiencing here in October. So we're getting a taste of what the weather will be like about 3 to 4 weeks from now. I'm meteorologist Adam McWilliams in the Campus Connect Weather Center. Have a great afternoon.